Hello everyone, welcome to Simply MU Vlogs, and today I want to share to you a simple recipe that you can try and do at home. It is a homemade applesauce, and today we have apples here that we can use for our menu today. So let's get started. We need a half cup of lemon juice, a cup and a half of water, a cup and a half of sugar. First, let's wash our apples. Like soak it in water so all the residues will come out. These are lovely organic Gala apples, combinations of the red and green ones. Isn't it so pretty and Christmassy? Now that the apples has been washed, let's start peeling and chopping them up. You know guys, this is my very first time in making an applesauce. This is widely used in North America and some of Europe. Applesauce is a low-fat source of vitamins and can serve as sweet, nutritious snack between meals. In addition to the above nutrients, unsweetened applesauce also has potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, calcium, and magnesium. After we finish chopping it up, let's pour it into a big pot. You can turn on the stove on high setting. Now let's pour the lemon juice, then the water, cover the pot and bring it to a boil. After a few minutes, when it is starting to boil, reduce the heat and simmer it for a while. After a few minutes, the apple starts to soften. Then break it down using a potato masher. If you want to smoothen it faster, you can use a blender or a food processor. Then adjust the temperature to low. When you reach the desired consistency of your sauce, now put the sugar or any sweetener you like. You can have it simple and plain. You can also add ground cinnamon for extra flavor. Then mix together and voila! Now you have a cinnamon flavor applesauce. What else you can do with the applesauce? Serve it on ice cream or swirl it into your oatmeal for breakfast. You can keep it in a clean container and store it in the fridge for a longer lifespan. Guys, thank you again for joining with me in making this simple recipe. Please click the subscribe button. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!